Hello guys, today we are going to learn what is data analyst roles and responsibilities and what is data analyst. A data analyst is a professional who collects, organizes, interpret and present data to help organizations make informed decisions. Data analyst works with a large set of data from various sources such as database, spreadsheets or software application and use statistical techniques and analytics tool to extract meaningful insight. And a data analyst plays a crucial role in various industries including finance, marketing, healthcare, e-commerce and technology. They help business identify trends, optimize processes, improve performance and make data driven decisions. Strong analytical skills, a professional in data analyst tools, and a solid understanding of a statistical concept are essential for a successful career as a data analyst. This is the definition for data analyst, and if in your interview might be you will get question what is a data analyst, for that you need to explain definition. And what is data analyst? In the sense, we are going to collect a data set and we are going to collect a information related to our project. And what and all information we need to collect, and that one we are go what and all work we need to do, that and all we are going to use same data set. And major roles and responsibilities for data analyst is a decision making. If it is wrong or right, that is a secondary, but you need to give a ideas to your client or your management or in your team meeting. That type of situation you need to give a ideas, your ideas, what and all thought you are getting, just you need to give a given situations. For example, any startup companies, in the sense soap, for example, take a soap, the newly they started startup company for any soap. For that they already started, but thing is their revenue is very less and sales also happening very less. That time you need to give idea to them how to improve their sales and how uh, they are going to improve their revenue as well. And they are looking, obviously everyone are looking for profit, right? For profit, how your ideas will help and how your they have and your ideas is valuable, everything they will see, and it should be helpful for building their business. And giving ideas and give taking a decision related to particular your project, that is the first roles and responsibility for as a data analyst role. And one more thing, in a variety of industries you can able to see a data analyst, and everywhere data analyst is a playing their major role. And current market position is data analyst is in top position. And how much soon you are going to learn data analyst or any other tools, that is good for you. And your growth also is very high in data analyst role. So make sure to please be in patience, and please do hard work and please practice. And first thing, you guys need to understand what is the data analyst role. So please understand the all concept and please do a hard work. And one more thing, in variety of industries I already told, right? Including finance department, marketing and hospital, e-commerce field and technology, everywhere you can able to see a data analyst role is a playing major role. And if you are going to see hospital or any colleges, that type of workplace also you can able to see a data analyst. So, and data analyst role is playing everywhere. So if you are going to learn data analyst, and that is the very important for you, and your growth will be there and you will get a good position over there, and you can able to see your career growth also high. So this is the very good decision, and please make sure to Do hard work and please practice. Please at least spend a little bit of time to invest your time for learning as a data analyst role. And if you want to learn more about data analyst role, please contact me and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.